Hi everyone, my name is Egypt Worthy. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and I am a Philly native. And so I took a research methods class when I was a senior in undergrad. Be very transparent. I struggled a lot. I did pass, but I struggled a lot. I do remember having to pick a topic. We had to do research on our topic and find multiple articles, and the paper had to be 20 pages if my memory is correct. I graduated in 2014, so it might be a little, you know. Um, but yeah, outside of my senior year, I never took any other research classes before. And again, I it wasn't my best work by far. But as far as thinking about what would make research more fun for me, I think being able to apply it to my own professional and life experiences has been helpful just overall in this program, as well as just making it a little bit more interactive. So, like incorporating art, um, using PowerPoint, things like that, I think would benefit me in the long run as far as being able to keep my attention as well as just being able to give more rather than, feeling like I'm in my senior year and this is really hard and I'm struggling. Uh, uh, but as far as what excites me about this course, I did see that there is some Excel videos for us to watch. So I'm happy to get to learn more about Excel. I've learned about it in the past and it just didn't stick for some reason. But I'm very excited to get to learn how to incorporate research and spreadsheets as far as with social work, as well as getting a second chance at research because I struggled a lot. And so I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you, looking forward to this group project as well. And see you all soon.